Imagine having one place where you can save websites, videos, PDFs, tweets, lesson plans, and turn them into beautiful collections in minutes. Well, today, I'm showing you exactly how to use WAKELET, the ultimate content curation tool that's changing the way teachers, students, and creators organize ideas. But first, what is WAKELET? So WAKELET is a free, visual, and user-friendly digital curation platform that allows users to save, organize, and share online resources such as articles, videos, images, and social media posts into interactive and shareable collections. It is widely used in education for creating lesson plans, portfolios, and research projects. Think of it as Pinterest meets Google Docs, but built for learning and collaboration. And the best part? It works on desktop and mobile. So, let's start. Go to wakelet.com. And you need to sign up. You can sign up using your Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Clever, or email. Mine, I will choose Continue with Google. Then click your account. After logging in, you need to fill up the Tell Us About You. So here, you just select what is your role and what country you're in. Then after that, click Done. Once you're inside, this is your dashboard. This is where all your collections live. So let's take a super quick tour to show you around. Need ideas? Head over to Search and Explore. Here, you can discover and explore collections created by the WAKELET community. Next is Items. Everything you save lives here, whether you add it to collection or save it as bookmark first. In Collections, you can create visual collections to organize and share content. Shared Collections is where you'll find collections you've been invited to collaborate on. In your plan, you're currently on the Starter Plan, which allows you to create up to 3 collections. You can upgrade to Pro anytime to create more. And finally, in your Profile menu, you can access your public profile, switch workspaces, and manage your account settings. Now, let's create something. Click Create Collection, and you can add a title, a description, choose a cover image, and this is where WAKELET shines. You can add websites, just paste the link here. For example, if you see a PowerPoint presentation for your lesson in the website, you don't need to download it. Just copy the link. For example, this is your discussion, so just copy the link. After copying the link, go back to WAKELET and paste it here. And after pasting, just wait for a second and it will automatically appear in your collection. And if you want to add a section, just click this. You can also write notes directly inside Wakelet. And to add images, just click this and click upload an image. Then choose the photo you want to add. You can also edit this by clicking the three dots. Then click edit. Here, you can change the photo you uploaded earlier. Just click this pen icon. You can also name it and add a description. So you can also upload PDF files directly to your collection. Add videos by pasting the YouTube link. Connect Google Drive files and OneDrive. And you can even pull in posts from social media platforms. Everything stays organized in one clean layout. No more messy tabs, no more lost links. So here, you can change layouts to media, compact, grid view, mood board, or columns. You can also rearrange items with drag and drop. And your collections can look professional in minutes. Wakelet isn't just for organizing, it's for teamwork. Once your collection is ready, tap share. You can control who can view or add to your collection. And you have 5 choices here to share your collection. You have here the copy link, join code, QR code, share to Microsoft Teams and Google Classroom. So that means your content can live anywhere. Wakelet is perfect for teachers. It helps organize lesson plans and student portfolios. For students, it's a great tool for building portfolios and managing research projects. For professionals, Wakelet can be used to organize training materials and resources. For creators, it's useful for saving ideas and organizing content. And really, it's perfect for anyone who wants their digital life to be more organized. If you use the internet to learn, create or collect information, Wakelet can completely change the way you organize your content. And that's how you use Wakelet. From creating collections to collaborating and sharing. It's simple, powerful, and completely free. Start building your first collection today and turn your scattered content into something organized and shareable. Now, go create something awesome. Bye-bye!